Hey everyone, we are here today talking about the Shocker Hitch and why I think everybody who owns a trailer needs these. Now, I'm shooting above I-35W. This goes between Minneapolis and Duluth. And as this video is going, there goes one right here, fifth wheel camper trailer, and there's a boat. I'd like you to count the number of trailers that you see. Now we're not talking semis or semi-tractor trailers. We're talking the recreational stuff. We're talking horse trailers, flatbeds, possibly some construction trailers. So whatever you see, count those up as we start this video here, and I tell you a little bit about the Shocker Hitch. So the Shocker Hitch is an air adjustable system that mounts between your truck and the trailer. It uses your 2 to 2.5 inch standard receiver. Now if you have a Ford with a 3-inch receiver, that is okay. You just need to get a factory authorized reducer sleeve and we can accommodate those. Now this is the Shocker Hitch for Gooseneck trailers. Both systems use a high-quality Goodyear airbag that absorbs the jerking, jolting, and what I like to call the coffee-spilling drama experienced by anybody who pulls a trailer. And you know what I'm talking about. Again, there goes another boat. There's another camper. Now, how do these Shocker Hitches work? You can see the receiver hitch diagram. The Shocker Hitch uses a rocker arm pivot design, which produces a down and back motion. Now, this is different from other air hitches. Other air hitches rely on parallel linkages, rollers, shock absorbers, or multiple airbags, which is more complicated, and the more things that are on something, the more things can go wrong, right? Now this is our Gooseneck Surge air hitch. Although it looks different, it stays with the trailer rather than the truck. The science is the same, using the same rocker arm pivot design. Now if you're pulling horses, this Shocker Hitch is a must-use for you. It's not only a good, safe, smooth ride for you, but let's face it, you care more about your horses than anything. This Shocker Hitch will provide a smoother ride for them as well, and a safer ride, causing that bounce back. It's going to absorb that bounce back from the truck. Now, how does the Shocker Hitch improve safety? Now, as we've been counting these vehicles that have been going past, and you've been looking at some diagrams and haven't been able to count, but as we take a look at all these vehicles, I got to tell you, I'm less concerned about the trailers. As long as they're safe and they're maintained, they have good tires, their structural integrity is maintained, their breakaway systems are working, they've got a fresh battery in them, and their chains are crossed. Let's talk about cross chains for a moment. Some people don't know this. I see it all the time on the freeway. Your chains should be crossed underneath your trailer. It provides a stronger element should that trailer become unhitched from the truck. And I'm giving you some diagrams here showing you what it should look like and what it should not look like. Please cross those chains. Now, if you do not have long enough chains, give us a call. We'll get you out some chains for you so that you can cross those and go safely. Now, that being said, a safe trailer out there, I'm not concerned about that. All of these vehicles going behind me, all those cars and trucks that are not pulling trailers, those are the ones I'm actually concerned about. Because those are the people who will pull out in front of you. It's happened to us all the time. They will cut you off, or they'll pull out in front of you and they'll slow down because they're idiots. Those are the people I'm concerned about. Now, the Shocker Hitch provides a safer ride because as you experience those things on the freeway, you have better control over your truck and trailer. You can stop and avoid those incidences a lot easier if you're in control. And that's the number one safety reason. Now, Shocker Hitch also provides 2 ways to save money. Now, the first is if you're pulling your truck and trailer and it's absorbing that jerking motion, what that means is that's going to be less strain on your trailer. So you're not going to have the strain on the welds on your trailer, the structural integrity. Over time, that Shocker Hitch is probably going to outlive your trailer. Now, we've had a Shocker Hitch, gosh, I think it's over 10 years and we're still using it. But these things last a long time. These are quality, heavy-duty materials. Shocker Hitch is made in the USA. Matter of fact, it's made in North Dakota. So it's a good quality product. Now, the second way people have saved money is on miles per gallon. Anywhere up to $1 per mile, people are saving. And we don't know exactly why, although we suspect it's because the computers on these newer trucks can adjust when they feel a load shift or they need to work a little bit harder, they will throw more fuel to the engine, therefore causing it to use more gas. However, if you've got the Shocker Hitch on and it's absorbing that, it only stands to reason that you're going to save gas. So that's a theory on why you can also save gas. Now, you remember way back in the beginning of this video, I said that this is an adjustable air suspension. What that means is that Goodyear airbag, you can put air in and out as you need to. So you might be pulling your camper on a regular basis and it's always set up for your camper. But let's say that you go to a vendor show and you put supplies in the back and your load's a lot lighter. You can adjust that airbag. Just simply going to your gas station and taking air out, putting it in, whatever you need to do. Now, do not tell somebody in your family to change out the winter air to summer air. I don't want those calls, please. Don't do that. But yes, you can adjust the air in these adjustable airbags, and it's very easy to do. So I've told you about all of the logical reasons that you should own a shocker hitch. For safety reasons, all of those people that are going to pull out in front of you and you can better be in control of your truck and trailer. We've talked about saving money, both gas and money on your truck and trailer. You've spent a lot of money on both of those things. It's kind of an insurance policy, actually, for your trailer that you don't have to pay yearly premiums on because it's going to extend the life of your trailer. Now, finally, there's one factor that we have not talked about. This is kind of the best one of all. It's kind of the cool factor. How many of your friends or family own a shocker hitch? You can be the first in your tribe, in your group of guys, in your group of gals. A lot of horse people are women pulling their own trailers who own a shocker hitch. Now, the best part about this is a quality product made in the United States with heavy steel. It's a solid product. So you can be proud when you recommend this to your friends and your family that you have one and they should get one as well. So we have the cool factor. Now, if you purchase a shocker hitch through our site, you're going to get something that you're not going to see anyplace else. We offer to all of our shocker hitch customers a free hitch cover valued at $29.99. We also offer the best price guarantee. So you can go check out the manufacturer's website. You can go check out some other sites out there. Have at that. Plus, we're going to give you a free hitch cover. So you can't go wrong there. Also, I'm going to throw in free shipping. How's that? That's just going to put it right over the top for you. So if you want to check out the shocker hitch, please go to www.allmacinc online and shoot us a question if you've got any of those. And we're happy to answer those. And again, there goes another trailer. They're all over the place. Anyway, so let us know if there's anything we can do to help you or any questions that you have. Thanks so much.